Hello children, how are you? Yes, hope you are all fine. You are all regularly watching our videos. Yes, stay home, stay safe. Okay, so in lesson 2, we have started to learn about the different food. They have different nutrients and we have tested starch, fat and protein. Yes or no? Children, can you please say why do we need to do starch test? Yes, to find out the carbohydrate food. Okay? Okay. To do protein test, what are the chemicals needed, children? Yes, caustic soda and copper sulfate solution. Good. Okay. Why do shopkeeper gives you some piece of paper with a bonda? Yes, because it has oil content. So, it needs to crush it. We need, the bhaji is the oil food. So, that he is giving. Okay. So, today we are going to learn about what are the foods what are the food they have what nutrients. Okay, என்னென்ன ஃபுட்டில் என்னென்ன நியூட்ரியன்ஸ் இருக்குது. இப்போது பர்டிகுலராக we have seen generally we have tested some food materials whether it is a carbohydrate or protein or fat we have tested. Now today we are going to learn about nutrients and its types. Okay, shall we go children? Yes. The first category of nutrient is, there are 7 category I told you. Can you remember the picture children? Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, dietary fiber and water. The first one is carbohydrates. What is the use of carbohydrate? Yes, you are feeling so tired and so hungry. Where do you will prefer? Will you drink juice or prefer to eat rice? Yes, mostly persons will prefer eating rice. So, rice, potato, sweet potato, they are all the carbohydrate foods. They give us energy. Okay. Carbohydrates usually have starch and sugar. Okay. What are the food that have? Shall we see? Yes, rice, bread, chickpeas, potato, sweet potato and corn. These foods have starch. அதாவது மாவு மாதிரி இருக்கும். நம்ம சாப்பிட்டோன்னா மாவு மாதிரி இருக்கும். அது வந்து starch. See, and sugar. What type of carbohydrate have sugar? Mostly fruits. For example, you can see here papaya. And mostly all the fruits they have sugars. Okay. Then the second category is fats. Okay. What are fats also give us energy equal to the more than carbohydrate. Okay. For example, some fat foods are coming from plants and some fat foods are coming from animals. See, what are the fat foods are coming from plants? Coconut oil, groundnut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil. So, these are the oils we are getting from plants. Okay. And some fats also we are obtaining, fat foods are also obtaining from the animals. Let us see what is it. Milk. Where do milk comes from, children? Yeah, cow. Okay. It is a fat food. Okay. What is this? Cheese. How do you prepare cheese from the milk? Yes. Then ghee, that is also coming from milk and it is actually coming from cow. Okay. Then see, we are getting meat and frying, not a raw meat, fried meat. Okay, that is chili chicken or chicken 65 likewise. And not a raw fish, fried fish. பொரிச்சதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அது வந்து fat food. Then at last, butter. Butter also getting from a buttermilk and buttermilk also getting from curd. So, this process is continuously going. So, the fat foods are coming from both plants and animals. Okay. Can you understand, children? எஸ் நம்ம அம்மா கூட சொல்லுவாங்க நெய் ஊற்றி சாப்பாடு போட்டு வச்சா நல்லா நல்லா குண்டாகலாம் அப்படின்னு வெயிட் ஏறும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. எஸ் இஃப் யூ ஆர் கண்டினியூஸ்லி ஈட்டிங் பட்டர் கீ இந்த மாதிரிலாம் சாப்பிட்டோம் மீட் அப்படின்னு சாப்பிட்டோன்னா நம்ம we can increase our weight. Okay, so they also give us energy. Fats also give us energy. The third criteria is proteins. The third nutrient is proteins. The proteins also coming from both plants and animals. So what are the plant based proteins? Yes, peas, soya beans, tur dal, moong dal, gram. So all the pulses, okay, those are coming from the plants. Okay, and what are the animal based proteins? Meat, fish, paneer, eggs, milk. So those everything we are getting from the animals, isn't it? Yes, so the proteins can be obtained from plants and animals. What is the use of protein? Proteins help us to grow, and it's also called bodybuilding foods, and also called bodybuilding foods. So you have to grow soon அப்படின்னா you must eat protein based foods more. For example, பருப்பு வகைகள், மில்க்கு இதெல்லாம் நிறைய சேர்த்துக்கணும். ஓகே, yes, the fourth category is the fourth nutrient, vitamins. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Okay, for example, some two children are there. One child is looking very healthy, very active all the time, but one child is feeling so tired always. What is the reason of it? See, the child who is healthy is continuously taking fruits, vegetables and pulses, completely taking all the nutrients. But the weak child is not at all taking the food properly and eating more unwanted foods. See, likewise, vitamins helps in protecting our body against disease. So the healthy man will not get affected by disease soon, isn't it? Yes, what he is eating? Yeah, he is eating more vitamins. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Mostly vitamins can be found in fruits and vegetables, okay, and fruit juices also. So there will be so many types of vitamins are there. Okay, so the group of vitamins are called vitamin B complex. ஸோ விட்டமின் பி அப்படிங்கிறதுலேயே நிறைய வெரைட்டி இருக்குது. B12, B9, B6, B5, B2 இந்த மாதிரி ஸோ மெனி வெரைட்டிஸ் இருக்குது. அது வந்து என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா விட்டமின் பி காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ வித் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் விட்டமின்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். விட்டமின் A, B, C, D, E and K, and vitamin B alone in the form of many forms, they are called vitamin B complex. Can you understand, children? எல்லா விட்டமின் அதாவது A to K வரைக்கும் இருக்கிறது விட்டமின் பி காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் இல்லை. விட்டமின் A, B, C, D, E, K அது மட்டும் தனி. விட்டமின் A, விட்டமின் C, விட்டமின் D, விட்டமின் E, விட்டமின் K. விட்டமின் Bல so many forms are there. Vitamin B2, B5, B6, B9, B12. Those group of B forms are called B complex, vitamin B complex. Can you understand, children? Yes. The first one